Hi everybody, welcome to the UserOrg channel. My name is Darren Navi. I'm the CEO and founder of UserOrg, and I thought I'd just jump on here and show you guys some of the updates that we've been putting out onto the platform over this first part of August. We've got a few exciting changes coming up. How you can use them to, empower your people and improve your business. Obviously, for those of you using the platform, these changes have already been released. All right, so I'm just going to go ahead and launch the app from the website. Load up. All right, so obviously already logged in as myself here. So we're just going to go through some of these improvements to the workflow tool. So for those of you that are familiar with it and have been using it, you can see around that. So I'll just go and create a new task here. Let's assign it to myself and hit a due date of here, and we're just going to go ahead and assign it also to Kyle. Do something, and we'll set a priority of 80. So you go and you can see it pop up here, test 2. So now normally, so there's obviously Kyle's received a copy of the CEF as well. But I guess the main difference is we've added in a status before closing it called completed, so you can go ahead and complete it. Then completes all the tasks that I had assigned, so whatever, do something. But it still remains open for Kyle. So I've done my part, Kyle still has to do his part, but it remains in play. Previously, if you clicked complete, it would just close the entire task. So that's a bit of an improvement. We got feedback from the users on that, and of course we've endeavored to roll that out for you guys. All right, looking at some of the other improvements here. Increased visibility on the current and past tasks in the register, so including adding in tags and assigns. Okay, so task register can be accessed here through your task list. So as you can see this, you're all familiar with the big visualization aspects of the task map, but we're going to go ahead and click on the register. See all tasks. So of course you can see your in play, your current tasks and closed tasks. You can filter and search and all that. So what we've done is we've added in a couple more columns for tags. So you using value tags, you can see them popping up here, as well as your assigns, so you can see who you've assigned it to. So it just makes searching a whole lot easier. Let's see what else we have here. This. Yep, so we've done a big overhaul of our recommendations and basically started to integrate them more into our org side of the platform. So if you are an org user, you can go ahead and switch over into that. If you're not an org user, you're going to, of course, have to contact your org administrator to add you to that. So we're going to go ahead and switch into the org view. Well, you're familiar with the heat map, of course. So this is where we can see our targeted areas. So for us, I'm going to go ahead here and select one of the red ones. So you can go in here and see, obviously, our definition of what performance process is. And then we've added in these recommendations here. So if we want to improve the stuff, what do we do? So what does our one say? Things are working fairly well around your org, but there's still room to improve your support processes and functions, incorporate regular reviews and escalation to ensure tasks are getting executed well. So again, it's recommending that we focus on our support processes. So obviously we're big into our product development and operation side, running our platform. But maybe we need to add some stuff around our sales and marketing. You guys know that we're looking to push out now. We're pretty happy with the product, but of course we keep rolling in these changes that you guys put through in the feedback. But what we're going to do is, I suppose, that the platform's recommending that we go and bulk up our support processes to get our organization really humming. So that's cool. So I'm going to go ahead and put this in here. So I've hit add task. One of the things it doesn't do, which we're going to add shortly, is it doesn't bring over the score. So for now, we just got to put the score in with this, but that's going to be a fix that the dev team are going to push out soon. So we're going to assign a value tag with a score of 73, which is 73 coming from here. Yeah, so it just gives a little bit of a track so that we can measure that progress as we go, and then we go ahead and assign it to assign it to myself, and we're going to assign it to the operations and design teams, as well as we've got here sales and marketing. So we'll assign it to all these guys. And as we go through, of course, you can we'll just go and create it here. We'll bump up the score to 80. It's pretty important that we bring this performance process up. So we're going to go ahead and click create. You guys are all familiar with this. So it's recommended we put it up by 17. So yeah, 17. It'll bring us into that top tier. So what else have we got here on this update? Trying to keep this brief. More admin tooling. That's just easier ways to control who's in your organization and a bit more visibility on that. So that last improvement here is we've basically added in a couple more levels of insight into our algorithms. And so we are picking up more and more of the stuff that you guys are doing on the platform, and our machine learning and our team are looking at that data and that information, and we're rolling that into better insights for you guys. So we're learning how to integrate that better. And that's just an ongoing process. So this is the second version, obviously 1.1 here, that we've released of this particular functionality. Of course, this is all behind the scenes. This is why you guys are using the platform, to get that insight that you otherwise wouldn't. And so we're really excited about how this is changing the organic insights picture for you guys, for ourselves, and yeah, it's going pretty well. I'm happy with how it's progressing. And yep, as always, we've got a couple more changes coming out there. You guys can read that for yourself. I'll obviously jump back on to show them to you guys when it comes out. Other than that, you guys have a good week, good night, wherever you are, and we'll catch up again soon. See you guys.